From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your CNET forecast. It was a pretty nice day out there throughout most of the Commonwealth with temperatures that were warmer today than they have been over the past couple of days, and we saw a good amount of sunshine throughout the majority of the day, but some changes are in store. We have a storm system that we're tracking that'll move through our area in the next couple of days, and it's a pretty interesting setup. We'll get into that in just a little bit. But first, starting off with a time lapse here in State College, looking over Mount Nittany throughout the day today. We started off with a nice sunrise out there, and in the early morning hours, we had some high-level wispy cirrus clouds in the sky. We had beautiful blue skies throughout the majority of the middle portion of the day, but as we went into the afternoon hours, some more clouds have filtered in, some thicker clouds, and these thicker clouds are a sign of things to come, more cloud cover in the overnight hours tonight and throughout the day tomorrow, preceding some precipitation that's in our short-range forecast. But a temperature right now at 43 degrees, which is around average for this time of year. Those winds out of the west and southwest helping to usher in this more mild air mass that'll be sticking around for a very brief period of time. Cooler out to our west, where snow is still on the ground out there, helping to keep those temperatures suppressed into the 30s throughout the day today. Down in the southeast, temperatures have climbed up into the lower 50s, 50 in Harrisburg, 53 down in Philadelphia. The high-res visible satellite imagery was pretty interesting to look at throughout the day today, with that snowpack showing up nicely in western Pennsylvania that is still on the ground from the storm system that moved through earlier this week. And then you see those high-level and mid-level clouds streaming in from the west, and these clouds will continue to be on the increase. Now, if we take a broader picture of this radar and satellite imagery, we see moisture down to our south, and there's actually two pieces of energy that will be phasing together within the next 24 to 36 hours and forming a storm system down in the Delmarva Peninsula area and moving up the east coast into New England. We'll be dealing with some of the impacts from this storm system, but the track of this system, as it always is very important in determining who gets precipitation and who does not. And then we'll time this hour by hour for you using future weather, so those clouds will continue to be prevalent throughout the overnight hours tonight. Going throughout the morning hours tomorrow, some showers will build in, especially in southern Pennsylvania. Those showers will continue to get more numerous. I think the majority of the rainfall comes in southeastern Pennsylvania as that area of low pressure deepens off the coast. Areas along I-81 and east of I-81 could see the most precipitation out of this event. In terms of seeing any snowfall along the New York border and in northwestern Pennsylvania, that's where some cold air could be in place to allow for some snow showers to be present, but not a whole lot of accumulating snow expected. Then as we go into Saturday, that low departs, and we get some strong winds out of the northwest and north, allowing for some lake effect snow showers to develop, especially in western Pennsylvania, and those will taper off as we go into the latter portion of the day on Saturday with a mixture of clouds and sunshine in the rest of the Commonwealth. Here's a broader picture of the storm system as it develops down to our south. The two areas of energy, one to our north and the area of moisture down to our south, phase together, forming this large mass of precipitation down by Washington, D.C. We'll be dealing with the fringe of that area of precipitation here in central Pennsylvania. And then that storm system really strengthens, becomes into a nor'easter for the New England area, but we'll be dealing with the cold air coming in on the backside of the system for the rest of the day on Saturday and into the second half of your weekend for Sunday. But first, tonight we'll drop down to a low of 33 degrees with those clouds continuing to be on the increase. A high of 43 degrees for your day tomorrow. Cloudy skies with those a couple of showers moving in, especially in the afternoon hours. Now here's your 7-day forecast. We'll be seeing mostly those rain showers tapering off and moving into some snow showers for the day on Saturday, especially in the morning hours. That's when the snow showers will be most prevalent here in the central portion of the state. A mixture of clouds and sunshine for the second half of your weekend on Sunday, but the cool air is here to stay. Temperatures only making it up into the mid to upper 30s for the beginning portion of the next work week. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great rest of your day.